before we jump into this video, we just gotta appreciate how freaking clean this thing is before the pollen inevitably ruins it today. Holy crap. This thing looks amazing. Y'all let me know about the white bow tie. It's hit or miss for me. I do think all the suspension and stuff is gonna go white and piping under the hood, but I don't know about the bow tie. Maybe we just leave it to everything else. Do that color matched or black. Oh man, it sounds so good. Man, I love this time of the year. I can actually get off work and get a video in. Now listen to this truck. Gosh, this thing sounds good. All right, guys, we got some bigger modifications coming for the truck very soon, but we got to take care of one issue this thing has that has been driving me absolutely nuts. So, find my key. Take a listen real quick. Every time you power on, it's got a CD stuck in there, and it is absolutely tripping out trying to spit it out or play it or whatever the case, but it eventually will give up. But it's super annoying, and it's always got that CD light blinking. So we got to fix that today. So we're going to be replacing it with actually Chomper's factory head unit. Sorry, if you want to see a video of this being installed, I have a link to it in the description. We put it in my 06 Sierra, but we actually have Chomper's factory head unit, which is the exact same thing, 6 disc and all. And as you can tell, it's freaking minty, boys. So this should be a direct swap in, be back to good as new. As well as we will be adding this auxiliary so we can actually plug in and play my music off of my phone, which is nice because this thing's radio is not that great, which I will show y'all why. Because I told y'all that there was an issue, or not an issue, but the ground wire under the hood was broken. And I did a little bit of research. Apparently that is a ground wire for the hood so that the hood does not interfere with the radio for some reason, and clearly it's the case because this thing's definitely not got the best reception, and I'm basing it off of that. Y'all probably know the drill by now to get this bezel off, but we'll film it anyways. Nice and easy, don't want to break anything. Slide that baby out. I saw some of y'all in one of my previous videos chirping at me about my portable toolbox. Well, I have you know, I like this because I like toting it around and doing these projects wherever. I don't want to be stationary with the big toolbox in there. Gee, man, bring my toolbox in here. I can fumble through, find whatever I need, and it's easy. And in this case, you need a 7mm. Slide this bad boy out. Oh, come on. Why are the wires so tight? Why are the wires so tight? That's a little... They shouldn't be. Let's check the glove box. Well, I don't see any weird janky wires or anything hanging around, but I am going to go ahead and disconnect the battery just in case I tug on something a little too hard. Something don't feel right. Just get my hand in there. I can unplug it. Okay, we're in. What is so freaking tight back here? It's the antenna cable. Pinch these babies down. Pull that one out. Okay. Got the antenna free. I don't know why it's so tight. I don't know why, but she's out. I just want to come in here, drop the glove box, pull that in, and then right there is your XM radio module. Try not to tear these wires up. There we go. Pop that little blue tab out. That guy right there, you gotta pop that out and then you can pinch it. This is our in line. So this will plug into here. And then this will plug into the factory location. And just like that. I think we will put it back in that because I did like being able to tuck the wire up in there out of the way. So just pop this guy out. Let's go drill a hole. All right, so here's a little screw that's going to thread in to hold it in place. So just get you a drill bit that fits right on the inside. And let's pop us a hole in here. Of course, my iPhone ran out of storage and cut the video, but I got it in there. Now we're just going to slip this guy in there, take our needle nose again, press it in there. Boom, just like that. She is connected. All right, put all this crap back up. And then it's time to throw the head unit back in. Please be connected properly. Let's go plug the batteries back up, test it out. Locked. Well, that's not cool. Let me Google it. Well, unfortunately, sometimes things don't go your way, and that's how it's going today. So I didn't know. I should have done a little research, whatever. If you swap the head units, it's going to be locked most cases. So this one's locked. It's a security thing. You can reprogram it, take it to a dealership, or there's some other programs. I don't feel like dealing with all that bull crap. So we're going to pull the CD out of here, which you can see. You see it kind of shining? CD is right there. So I'm going to try to get that out. And if I can get that out, I think I can also swap this button from Chompers. And then we'll also have, you know, added our auxiliary port, and we'll have accomplished everything we wanted to today. Just got to figure out how to get that CD out. Okay. I think I pushed the CD in. Might have to plug it up and try to get it to spit itself back out. So I plugged it back in, and it no longer recognizes that there is a CD in there. It doesn't try to load it, doesn't try to spit it out, doesn't make that spinning noise, anything like that. So we're just going to rock with the factory head unit, but we are going to swap out our buttons because this one's all beat up. And I might go back in another video or on my own time and swap these buttons out right here. Just carefully. Pop it free. Like that. Now this one we want to be careful with because this is the good one, obviously. Watch me break it. Boom. Just line it up. Just like that. I'm going to look up a quick video and see if I can just swap the whole front plate or if I have to take all this apart. I might go ahead and swap it, but if not, I'll catch up with y'all for the reinstall. I'm about to make a whole bunch of excuses why I'm not going to swap out the front plate today. One, the sun is clearly going down. It's getting cold as crap. It was below freezing this morning. And I got to go pack because I'm going on vacation. By the time y'all are seeing this, I am back. We're going to Disneyland. It's going to be freaking awesome. But I'm going to go ahead and throw this back in the truck. I'll catch up with y'all after. Got everything back together and it is working beautifully. This basically just overrides your XM radio. If you don't know if you have XM, just go to band and you can flip through here, and if it goes to XM and people start talking and wanting you to buy it, you got it. If not, they have a different module you can get. I got this from Crutchfield. I'll have a link to it in the description, but let's see how she sounds. Let's go. Dude, having your own music is just so beautiful. I also swear the music in this truck is better than in Chomper, like the bass. I feel like, I don't know if, I think they all have the subs in the center console. Maybe the one in Chomper's clapped, I don't know. But this one sounds like it's got way more bass than before we put the subs in there, obviously. But yeah, dude. That's how she works, so. I like that. You just, you know, when you get done, freaking just wad your cable up, throw it in there, and that's it, dude. So that is going to be a wrap for the video. Didn't go quite as planned, but we got everything accomplished that I wanted to, and now we have a better looking radio and I can listen to my own music, so it's a win-win. About to put the OLBZ up for the week. Like I said, going on vacation. I'm back by the time y'all see this. Hopefully we'll have some good parts accumulated in the meantime, which I am super excited for. Trying to get some sponsors on board. You know the deal. We're just trying to do them YouTube things, get everything rolling. Like I said, we spent too much on trucks lately, so we're trying to recoup that. So that's why maybe smaller mods have been going on lately, but we're gonna build it back up. So yeah, park this thing for the week, and I guess I'll catch up with y'all in the next video. Will be a cold start from it sitting for a week, so look forward to that. With that being said, I'll catch y'all then. I just did something that I haven't done in years. That being setting aside a whole afternoon to just sit back, relax, play some music, watch some videos, or listen to some videos, and detail my truck without filming anything, and it has felt great. I used to do this all the time before I was consistently filming, and I just haven't over the past couple years. So the old Duramax got some sweet love today. I washed it, I waxed it, and it just gave her a good detail, and man, this thing is shining. I don't want to ever take it out into the pollen-infested world ever again. Joking, of course, but dude, it looks so freaking good. It's been a good afternoon. A little reset. It's been nice.